Our dish today is gonna be a steamed Atlantic salmon, and we're gonna be serving that with a Dijon Hollandaise and roasted asparagus and breakfast radishes. Classic French cooking technique. We're gonna make salmon on Papillote, right? And that means in paper. We're gonna bake it in paper. Really light, incredibly sophisticated dish, but also really, really easy at the same time. All right, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take the head off, because the head, okay, is gonna get in the way of us getting a really, really clean access. And then we're gonna take the knife and we're gonna go along the spine and we're gonna angle the knife down. So we're gonna go all the way along and just kind of come all the way to the end. Boom, just like that. Okay, so there's the top loin here, and this is what we're gonna be cooking today. You definitely wanna make sure that you get the knife all the way underneath the top part of the bones here, okay? All the way through. So we've got the bottom part cleaned out really well. So now we're gonna trim this off, and you're gonna go all the way to the skin. Simply just saw back and forth, saw back and forth. If you miss a little bit, no big deal. Okay, you see this? Am I gorgeous? Beautiful, right? Okay, so you wanna take your fingers and just feel along the top of the fillet here. There's a series of pin bones. You just take the tweezers and you just peel them out, okay? It's good. Okay, so we've got our pin bones here. All right, so we're only gonna be using this top loin here, right? So right from the tip top, we're gonna cut this right down the middle, okay? See that? All right, guys, so we're gonna take this, one, okay? That's a portion of fish we're cooking today. That's a portion of fish we're cooking today. Okay, so we're steaming the fish in paper with just butter and lemon and thyme. So we're gonna take 2 slices of Meyer lemon, okay? We're gonna take 1 gorgeous portion of fish. Now, put a little salt and pepper this. Boom. All right, nice little pat of butter, no pepper, and we're just gonna gently lay some fresh thyme in here. All right, so we're gonna take the paper, we're gonna fold it over, and then I want you to take the back end, just crease it out a little bit, okay? All right, you're gonna take the fold here, and everything is connected to that first fold, okay? 1 fold, and then crease, and every time you crease, you create like a little lock, okay? 1 fold, and then crease it. Now this last little piece right here, right? Dig this, right? And you're gonna fold this under, okay? And you're gonna take this tail piece and you're gonna tuck it to the top fold. And you're gonna crease that one more time, okay? And it's all gonna be locked into this vapor seal right here. Brush them a little bit of olive oil just so they don't burn, okay? Okay, 400 degrees, right, in the oven. Now I'm gonna start working on my vegetables. We're gonna trim these down, all right? So we got a bunch of asparagus. Now these are really beautiful icicle radishes. We're gonna trim, or we're gonna cut this right in half, just one beautiful knife cut. So we're gonna take our asparagus. We're not gonna stack anything up on top of each other. I wanna make sure everything's got contact time with the bottom, okay? Same deal with the radishes. A lot of olive oil. All right, so we got salt. Now it's gonna go into the oven with the fish, okay? Bang. All right, we're gonna melt our butter down for our Hollandaise. Got 2 sticks of butter, 6 yolks, okay? You wanna make more than you think you're gonna need because it's so delicious, people are gonna ask for seconds, all right? Boom. All right, we got 6. All right, we're gonna add a little splash of water. We're gonna add the juice of our Meyer lemon. I'm squeezing this between my fingers to catch the seeds, no seeds. And then we're gonna hit a little salt in this. And we're gonna start to buzz this right up. All right, guys, so when the yolks are nice and frothy, we're gonna turn it on low. Hey guys, we're gonna slowly pour.
That's cooking in the blender.
Yeah, because you know why? Because the butter's hot. Okay, and we're gonna check the fish real fast, all right? This cooks really fast. Yeah, we want it about 120 degrees, okay? So we got about 85. All right, still a little chilly in the middle. We're gonna set it for another 10. All right, and we're gonna go back in, okay? All right, back to the Hollandaise. We're gonna make a Dijon, right? Whole grain Dijon Hollandaise. So we add a little bit of salt to that. And then we're also gonna add just another little tiny squeeze of Meyer lemon juice into this. Boom. Okay, so now let's start working on some garnishes here. All right, we're gonna mince some chives. All right, do you see how tight these are? You Now see how I'm stacking up the chives? And we're cutting tight little circles. And we're also going to take a little bit of salmon roe. These are salmon eggs. But now when you cut it with oil, now you can drip this on the plate. Okay, let's go. Let's check the fish one more time. Spend a total of 20, okay? Just 10 and 10. 120, perfect. Perfect, it's perfectly cooked. This is spectacular and delicate and not ever cooked. So we're gonna take our Hollandaise and coat the whole thing. You guys ready to plate up? Roasted asparagus, roasted radishes. All right, guys, so we're gonna take some of our asparagus here, right? And we're gonna create a really lovely tangle of spring flavors. Very organic. We're gonna drop our chives in the plate next. We're gonna drop our salmon caviar, and then we're gonna take our perfectly cooked piece of fish. And then just some fresh watercress, okay? Yeah, great colors, very spring-like. Gentlemen.
Wow, that really does just like fall right apart. You chef
Good, right?
Yeah.
If you left this in the oven for 25 minutes, it would be overcooked and tough. But right at 20 minutes, perfectly cooked all the way through, incredibly soft and really, really moist.
Just melts in your mouth.
Isn't that great?
That is outstanding.